Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit photos in Google Photos on Redmi 14C. First, go to Google Photos app, then go to a photo you want to edit, click on it, then tap on Edit. Then you can automatically enhance it, make it warmer or make it cooler. You can go to crop the picture, rotate it by a few degrees up to 45, or you can rotate it by 90 degrees by clicking on this button. Here you can change the perspective of the picture, or you can crop it to a certain value. Then go to Tools, you can unblur some fragments of the picture, or use Magic Eraser to erase something from the picture. Then go to Adjust and you can adjust different settings like brightness, contrast, white point, and more. Then click on Done. You can go to Filters and add one if you want. And you can go to Markup to draw on the picture. You can use pen or highlighter and choose your color, then draw on the picture like that. And you can also go to Text to add a text on the picture. And choose a color, then you can choose where to place it. And when you're done, click on Done, then Save Copy. And it's gonna save a copy that's edited. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.